Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
Thomas Rhett's hugely popular Very Hot Summer Tour, which has been packing venues from coast to coast. Steve Jennings was there with the inside scoop. This month, our installation spotlight is on new club projects, and we check out 5 stunning examples, all with a focus on top-rate audio. Brian Reisman visits the musical Hadestown and talks to its Tony Award-winning sound designers about shaping the audio for this Broadway hit. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on mid-size, mid-priced consoles. And we present some digital mixers that pack a wallop into compact designs, offering big performance at affordable prices. Meanwhile, John McJunkin, our man in the pews, offers solid advice on selecting the right mixer for your church. In our tech feature, David Kennedy examines the past, present, and future of center cluster technology. And Front of House checks out Meyer Sound's latest offering, a versatile and powerful speaker that may very well change the way you think about point source technologies.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.